I'm Kid Chef Rasa Walker. I love going to the movies, and when I'm at the movies, I love eating popcorn. There's one big problem. Problem with popcorn at movie theaters is just really unhealthy. It's greasy. It's got way too much fat and butter on it, and artificial butter, and way too much salt. That's why I make my own healthy popcorn when I go to movies. Our popcorn machine broke recently. Doesn't matter. I just microwave popcorn. Here's how I do it. I get a plate, put some popcorn kernels on. Next, I take a little olive oil and spray it on stuff. Next, I put a top on it so it doesn't pop all over the microwave. Now I'm gonna ask my mommy to put in the microwave for about 5 minutes. Boy, it's done. I can't wait to eat it. The next thing I'm gonna do is just put a little bit of olive oil on top. Just a little bit of salt, because you don't want to put too much or it's not healthy. Now we're gonna go put the popcorn in the bag so we can take it to the movies.